If your vehicle is not equipped with this instrument panel, please see your owner's manual for more information. The rear sonar system is a parking aid that sounds a tone that helps the driver detect obstacles near the rear bumper. The beep gets faster as you get closer to the obstacle and sounds a continuous tone. An indicator will appear in the camera view as the obstacle gets closer to the rear bumper. The rear sonar system automatically turns on when the shift lever is placed in reverse and the ignition switch is on. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, Parking Assist, then Rear Sonar to toggle the system on or off. The rear sonar system sensors are located on the rear bumper. Be sure to keep them clean and free from snow, ice, and dirt. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.